And it is June 22nd, a good Saturday morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr, checking your forecast. And you can see here all but one day out of the last week or so. You see 89 here on Wednesday. Broke a streak of 6 straight days in the 90s. Now we've started a new one here, and we'll make it 3 straight today. And you might be thinking, well, what's the record for consecutive days in Bowling Green at or above 90? The number will shock you because it is 57 straight days is the record at or above 90 degrees in Bowling Green, set back in the 1920s. We're not going to get anywhere close to that. So if you think it's hot, and the stretch of hot weather, it can always be worse. Remember that. Overall today, we'll see a nice mix of clouds and sunshine. Temperatures racing back into the 90s by this afternoon. Again, major heat risk impacts for most of the tri-state area. That's why we say you got to limit that time outdoors, drink plenty of water, wear that light, loose-fitting clothing. For the most part today, temperatures should quickly rise by the lunch hour, right around 90 degrees. We should, though, see by this afternoon an uptick in our winds ahead of our next cold front that is expected to be right on top of us by tomorrow morning, bringing with it a broken line of showers and maybe some embedded thunderstorms. Now, this activity is well out ahead of the actual front, which won't it'll get to about Sunday afternoon is when it'll finally make its passage. So you can see today another very hot and humid day, mid 90s for the most part. We should be in the upper 80s, so we're really blowing that out of the water. Temperatures across the entire tri-state, another very hot day, another great day to hit the pool or to hit your Kentucky Lake or any other of your local lakes. And notice by this evening with the dew point heat indices, what it feels like outside, right around or at 100 degrees. So again, be smart if you're going to be outside. You notice the low temperatures tonight, very mild yet again, only dipping into the mid-70s. Now the extended forecast, slightly cooler tomorrow because of the shower chances and the cloud cover. Then we warm right back up, but probably less humid on Monday, up near 100 on Tuesday. Then a stronger front rolls through here on Wednesday. That will knock our temperatures down to average values and increase our chances for a couple of showers and storms.